up, everybody? We are
IKANE.
On the set over here at Makua, doing our photo shoot. Brother Tersh vocals.
Brother Rostin, drums.
Brother Paul, bass.
Corey, Keezy.
Brother Fox, guitar.
The IKANE been together for 4 years. Started back in 2010. All the IKANE came to be. Me and Rusty Raga over here, alongside Brother Daniels up in Cali. Shout out Brother Daniels. Came together after one of our groups fell apart. Brought back Brother Corey. Rip him up on the keys. Brother Rostin, when he introduced us to Paul and Parker, me and Danny to Paul and Parker. The IKANE came fused together, came real close, real tight, like family. Look out for each other as such. That's how we came to be, man. Been slamming the stage every time, every gig. Real blessed to have these brothers by my side, man. God is good.
Shout outs to Shakhouse Finest and DonnieBeatz for the photo shoot. We appreciate it.
Jar Productions, Get Not Swear, Ali IKANE Gear. Shout out to everybody out there. Be on the lookout for our album. God bless all you guys. Aloha.
Right.
I got the one of a kind love, girl, you know, will set you free. Girl, I'm the only man that can give you what you need. I know you've been hurt one too many.
What's up, y'all? In my car. Welcome to my crib. I'm out here chilling. Okay, let me show you around real quick.
The sweet Polynesian view.
This is my walkway. Yeah, my front door. Right here. Where I chill, come out, have a smoke. Can't show you guys the inside. My girl's sleeping right now. I love you, baby. It's my stove right here. We're cooking outside. It's a little rusty, but hey, it's usable. Yeah, it's my little tree. It's my friend. I talk to this guy every day. We have fun. Yeah, love this guy. It's right here. It's my guest house. It's where all my guests sleep. Whenever I got the boys over, they all crash on here.
All your guests over here.
That's all my guests right there. They be sleeping on here tonight. It's their bed. Someone can sleep on the floor. They can sleep wherever they like. My rides up there. All of them. I'm not gonna show you guys all that. It's a far walk. But yeah, it's my crib. I get the hell out of here. Go.
With Folau, Shakhouse Finest, DonnieBeatz. Big shout out to my Usos over here doing their thing on IKANE, man. You gotta check them out, man. They're coming up, taking over. That's how we do it in the 808. Yes, sir.
Take her up in your warm embrace so she can know good.